In front of me is Nokia 225, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this device. So at first you need to locate and open your camera app. So let me just unlock the device and open the camera. Then tap on settings icon and pick timer right here. And you can pick 3 seconds delay, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds, and now you can grab a picture and you will see the countdown at first, and after that the picture would be grabbed. And that's it. Obviously, if you would like to switch it off, as you can see here, we've got the sign that it is active. Just open the settings to turn it off, pick timer and go to 0. And now, as you can see, the picture is grabbed right after you click. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.